Hi, this is Frank Lefebvre, and I'm over on my YouTube channel in our AIOP Team Training and Resources playlist. This is where you went to create your done-for-you marketing system, and this is one of the capture pages. This is capture page 2. Now, what this system won't duplicate is splash pages. So I use splash pages in front of one of these capture pages. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. In this video will be down here and say splash page instructions. All right, so you want to bookmark this, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and this is where I'm going to put in training videos specific to the team. I have 9 in there right now, okay, and I'll add new content here as I produce it. So I have 6 splash pages ready. I'll have the links below the video. This first one is one we're going to do right now.
Please take a moment to check out our step-by-step action plan to fire your boss in as little as 8 weeks. You heard me. Take the free tour for complete details.
And then when they click on the free tour, they'll go to your lead capture page. Okay? And I encourage you to go in your Splash Builder and be creative and make some of these. And I'll show you what we've done. Now the first 4 you can use anywhere. The last 2 are specific to traffic exchanges, and I'll show you why. And I'll show you some creativity here. Well, here's the one with Colonia for traffic exchanges. It's the same thing, but I added a stop sign up here. When people were surfing, there's a stop check. So it says stop surfing for peanuts. Start making 100% commission. And then this one's also for traffic exchanges only, just the last 2.
Stop surfing for peanuts. Dude, you can make big money on the internet. I plan on retiring before I'm 20 and doing my surfing at the beach. Why not? I have big dreams and I have never seen a tombstone that said, I wish I had spent more time.
So I got the surfer dude here. So let's see, number 4. Be creative. This was an accident. This one would go to the internet's best kept secret. And when you scroll down, it's been right under our noses all this time. Get the whole scoop and nothing but the scoop. You are going to be surprised. And then this will go to the best kept secret capture page. But this was an accident. I got a picture of a nose, and the thumbnail was going to be like this big. And I had no idea it was that big, and I kind of liked it. All right, so just have fun. And let's see, let's look at number 2. This one I think has Joe.
Hello, my name is Joe. Are you tired of working only to make money for someone else? Let me show you an 8-week action plan that anyone can follow. I plan on firing my boss in the next several weeks and spending more time here at the beach.
All right, so let's get started. This is the one we're going to do. So let's get that up. So the first thing you want to do is open the one you're going to use. I'll show you a real neat trick how to get the code yourself. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into Patty's account. We want to thank Patty McClancy for letting us use her back office. So you want to go in your back office and go to your toolbox and go to Splash Builder and your splash pages. Okay, and you want to give this a name. I'm just going to call it Splash 1. Okay, now you see all the templates that are back here. You know, you can just pick one of these. Here's one with an image in the back. Put your own text on there. What we use is this blank one, this empty one. So what you got to do is click on that to select it. And then at the bottom, update template. And that'll give you the current template that you picked. And then each time you got to go down and then say, now I want to edit this. And it'll take you to the editor. Looks the same, but it's not. Okay, there's the editor. Okay, the things you want to do here is put a title. I'll just put fire your boss in as little as 8 weeks. Keywords, work at home, retire, make money online. This is optional, but this will give it keywords for Google searches if somebody's looking for those things. Now, to get that black background, you got to choose black in here. And you can just go down to the bottom. It's actually 6 zeros. And that makes it black. Then I leave all these the same. And then we go down to the editor. Now, since we're using the advanced editor and we're using HTML, look for the little HTML. When you hover over these things, it tells you what they are. It's HTML source. That's what we want. Okay, now let's go get the source code. All right, here's the template we had open. Here's the trick. Go to a blank part of the page and right click and you'll see a menu and you'll see view page source. Okay, the reason you want to go to a blank part of the page, if you click on here, for example, right click, that's an image, and that's where you can take an image. Save image as, okay? And you can like steal things like this. I don't know if that's, yep, that's the image for the button. All right, so you go to a blank part of the page, right click, and go view page source. Now I trimmed these down for the AIOP editor. So you just want to, now you can copy this whole thing. You can either highlight it all, clear down to the bottom, and then I right click and say copy. The other thing you can do is go Control A, which means select all, and then Control C, which is copy. Both will work. Now let's go back to the editor. Now this is the source code where we're going to plug this in. Control V is paste, or right click, paste. All right. Boom. Now it's done all except for you got to put your lead capture page URL in here where mine is, and that's on the button. So you scroll down till you see the button, and I have it kind of in caps with 3 asterisks on each side, and it says take the free tour button, add your capture page URL. Okay, this is mine, you want yours here. Alright, so you take mine out. Now we gotta find Patty's. Okay, let's go back to Patty's account. Okay, she should have a tracker for it. We want the second one. I think it's this one. Just gonna put this up here and make sure. Okay, that's it. That's the second one. Alright. Back to the HTML code. That opens in a new window, so if you lose it, it's in a different window. Alright, so that's where we're going to paste that. That's her tracking link. And it's done. Update. Now you can't see the black, but it should be there because of that. Alright, so always update your work. Now let's go back to our splash pages. And there it is. Let's view the page and test it out. So that's her unique page.
Please take a moment to check out our step-by-step
It's
action plan to
Colonia.
fire
And take the free tour should go to her capture page. Voila. Okay, just to make double sure, I'm going to fill this out. Congratulations on taking your first step toward financial freedom. Go to your inbox. There's Patty. Hi, Patty. There's Patty. Okay, go to your inbox. She's asking how do we get the Colonia page. All right, so it's her. Please confirm your subscription to Patty McClancy. Hello, Frank. And this should begin the free tour on her page. Hey, this is Frank again. I'm going to be the tour guide today. And then watch the video here, it says. You can go on to the 8-step action plan, which was what the splash page talked about. Check your email for your link to join. Okay, so I looked at this. It takes a while to go through both of these videos. So it says check your email. Here's your link, Patty. Here's the join link. And this is part of that done for you system that you copied. I test everything right to the end. Okay, now when you join, it should be Patty. We're done. Now the only other thing we might want to do, that's a splash page now. So now you're going to be advertising this. So if we copy this link and go back to your tracker and call this splash 1, put that link here. Now this will be her link that she wants to promote if she wants to track it. Now what's nice about this tracker is you can edit these. So say for example, she's promoting this one all over the place. Okay, let's say she's promoting this on traffic exchanges and ads and banners, and she's just nailing this one. What she can do is change it. Okay, like you could have put this up here, and what it does, it'll change your advertising all over the internet. Wherever you have it, it'll change all your banners, it'll change all your emails, so that when they click on that tracking link, instead of going to the capture page, now they'll go to the splash page. Isn't that a cool feature? Now, the only bad thing is that you only get 10 of these. There's few trackers you can edit, so this is good. And it also gives very good statistics. Let's take a peek at Patty's statistics on this one. I'm not sure which page she's using. I was going to ask her. Okay, she got 401 hits on January 6th on this tracking link. And it'll tell you the traffic sources. And I can tell where she's advertising. Look at this. Hungry for hits. Traffic ad bar. Traffic ad bar. Easy hits for you. Alright. This is cool stuff. It'll even show you a world map and where they're coming from. Patty's doing a great job. And as you can see, she's advertising all over the world. All these countries that are blue. Look at that. She's getting hits from Argentina, Korea, Chile, Bangladesh, Thailand. Isn't that amazing? I tell you, this system is awesome, this all-in-one profits. Okay, so there you have it. So that's all you got to do. So you can go to each splash page that you want to use, open it up, right-click over here somewhere, view page source, copy the whole thing. I have Cloney, I need to change it to Joe. And just put your link, your capture page, where mine is. Look for the button. Take the free tour button. Replace that with yours. And you're good to go. Save it. Awesome stuff. Okay, we're back at the YouTube channel. You should see this video right below this one. Okay, thanks for your time. Have a great day.